Okay guys, I've been receiving a lot of flack for not giving you guys price targets, having the actual prices hidden on the labels. So in this video, I'm going to give you price targets to the upside, downside, support and resistance for multiple Bitcoin charts and about 16 altcoin charts. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ethereum, Neo, EOS, DeFi, YFI, BNB, a whole bunch of them. So again, I'm going to give you all these price targets and enjoy the ads, by the way. Okay guys, this is the Bitcoin USD Bitstamp 11 2020 chart. You can see this ring has been resistance 1, 2, 3 times. If we push up, a likely resistance level will be right here at $20,088. You can see this green line right below. This is our current support. This has been support and resistance. So again, if we break below this, this will be potentially your resistance. If we stay above, this will be your support. If we drop, your next major support according to this chart will be $18,112. You can see this ring has been support, became resistance, so this is a likely downside target, 18,112. If we drop below that, your next support is 17,770. I am not going to give you this price target. This is the Bitstamp the Bitcoin BTC USD 70220. This was in the previous video where we hit this point and we dropped. So your current upside target, if we push up, is going to be right around 19,620. If we push above that, your next resistance above is going to be $20,750. If we drop, your next support, as you can see, this has been a lot of resistance, now it has become support. Your support level is going to be right around 19,053. If we drop, your next major support is going to be 17,981. If we drop below that, your next support will be 17,025. Down the road, if we drop lower, I will give you these price targets, but these are my buy-in points right here. But this gives you some targets to work with. This is the Bitstamp BTC USD 101220. If we push up, as you can see, we got a perfect rejection at this ring. So your resistance above is 19,550. If we push above that, your resistance will be $20,090. If we drop, your current support according to this chart is 19,238. Your next support level below that is going to be around 18,854. You do have one support directly below that at 18,746. You can see this has been very strong support and resistance. Your next support level below that is down here around 18,369. According to this Bitcoin chart, your current support to watch. This is the Bitcoin capitulation chart 121019. Your support is right here at 18,710. Not going to give you the support level. But do pay attention, this was a pivot ring. If you watched the last video, I showed you a time lapse. When we hit this ring, it pushed price down. We'll be approaching this ring at some point. If we continue to go up and sideways, we will make contact with this ring on the 18th of December to potentially the 20th of December. I would expect the same thing that happened here will happen here. It will push price down. This is the Bitcoin Cash chart. The Bitstamp 62120. If we push up, currently you can see our resistance right now is $292. If we push up, your next resistance is going to be $309, and you will have very strong resistance around $325. Your current support, as you can see, this has been a lot of support and resistance, is right around $282. Your next support level, this is going to be very strong support. You can see this has been a lot of support and resistance around $274. Your next support level below that is going to be around $259, and then you will have very strong support here at $251.85. Ethereum, this I mentioned in a previous video. So you can see that we pushed up, got a perfect resistance on this ring. So your current resistance for Ethereum is right here at $597. Take note that we wrote up this yellow ring. Let me make this brighter so you can see it. So we wrote up this yellow ring, we dropped down, wrote up this yellow ring. Notice we're bouncing back and forth in these white rings right here. So if we come down, your first support is going to likely be right here where this, you can see this trend line has been resistance and support. So it probably will be support again. We will ride up this ring. So again, your first resistance is $597. Your next resistance above is around $615. Let me put this right there. Your next resistance above is going to be $636. Keep in mind, if we drop, we will probably drop down to this ring. This will be right around $528, and then you will have very strong support down here at $523. Take note this trend line here, resistance, support. So this would be a very strong support level, potentially catch a bounce. So again, upside target 597, downside target 528. It seems likely we'll ride up this ring, so do watch these targets above around $612 to $631. And again, your current resistance is 595. Litecoin, you can see our current resistance is this yellow ring, and this line right here has been very strong resistance. So if we push up, your current resistance for Litecoin is $83.18, and you do have multiple channels. This right here has been a lot of support, a lot of resistance. So your next resistance above that you need to, if you want to potentially go higher, you need to go above $83.18. You get above that $84.44. If we break above that, your next resistance is $93.91. Then your resistance above that will be $96.98. If we drop, your current support is going to be right here. You can see this has been very strong support and resistance going back. So your current support level for Litecoin is $79.76. If we break that, your support is $76.17. Your next support level below that, you can see we've been respecting this ring right here. So if we drop, this is a likely point to catch a bounce, $73.34, to potentially push back up to a resistance of potentially $81.52. XRP, your current resistance, this is the Bitstamp 5920. Your current support level is down here at 0.434. Your resistance currently is 0.480. Your resistance above is 0.508, and you have resistance above at 0.5295, and then you will have resistance here at 0.539, and if you push above that, your resistance will be 0.612, and if we drop below 0.434, your support will be 0.397. XLM, this is XLM Bitstamp 1 day 621.20. Your current resistance above is going to be 0.1800. Your next resistance above is going to be right around 0.1999. Your resistance above that is 0.22038. Your support currently is going to be 0.1580. Your next support below is 0.13053, and then you will have very strong support potentially at 0.1187. This is the point I would buy to catch a bounce right here. This is NEO. This is the Bitstamp 2 hour 621.20. Your resistance above is right here at $18.48. You will have resistance as well. Notice this fib channel line angling down like this. This will be resistance, potentially $20.50. And then your next resistance above will be this fib channel line right here, this red one. So that will potentially be $21.56. A macro target to the upside is $26.52. Your current support, you can see this trend line here. So your support is right here. We're testing now at $16.57. We break that, you will be coming down to test $13.40, potentially $13 or 13.04. They're pretty close together, guys, but those are your next two targets below. And if we break below that, your next support level will be $10.46. This is the ADA chart. This is the Bitstamp 1 hour 6/21/20. Your current, let's see, your current support is right here at, you can see this fib channel line right here. So your support is at 0.1513. We drop below that. Your next support is going to be around 0.1386. And then you have a support directly below that at 0.1353. And then you have support down here at 0.1204. If we push up, your current resistance, you can see, is right here. It's going to be very strong resistance. So again, 0.1568. If we push above that, your next resistance level above will be right here around 0.1748, and then you will have very strong resistance at 0.1822. This is the new Chainlink chart. You can see we've been respecting these fib channels as well as this fib circle. So your current support right now, you can see we're holding support right here on this fib channel line. So your support is right here at $12.54. If we break that, your next support is going to be around $11.67. Take note, we've been writing right down this yellow ring. So a likely support level to catch a bounce potentially is around $11.09 or $11.10. If we push up, your next resistance above is $13.27. Your resistance above that, $13.89. And then you have this white ring that has been support, will become resistance around $14.51. This here is Tezos. You can see that currently we are underneath this trend line right here, this blue one. It looks like this is currently our resistance. So your resistance currently is right here at $2.22. If we drop, your next support is $2.18. If we drop below that, the next target I have on this chart is all the way down here at basically $2. If we push up, your next resistance above is $2.40. BSV. You can see that we've been respecting this white fib circle here, and we're also respecting these fib channel lines. Notice this is our resistance right here. So if we push up, your current resistance for BSV is right here at $173. Your next resistance above is $186.65. If we do push up higher, your next resistance above is $202. By that time, we'll be past this ring. Your current support is going to be down here around potentially, let's see, both of these lines are being respected. I think this is probably going to be your stronger support. So if you do have a drop, I would watch $153.27 to potentially $150.97. And then you can see how well we're respecting this white ring here. So if we do have a substantial drop, your next major support to watch will be this ring, as we have been respecting this fib circle. This is the same fib circle, so likely this will be a good support level, $136.22. This is EOS. You can see we've been respecting this yellow fib circle here. Currently, your support right now is right here at $2.73. If we break that, your next support is potentially $2.34 to $2.29. Let's move this kind of out of the way. And if we drop below that, you will have very strong support down here. This is white because this has been respected a lot going back. See how many times we've tested this, guys. I say always look left. Support, 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 support. So obviously if we come down and test this line, this will be a very strong support level. It depends on when you make contact. So again, out here, this is around $2. Keep in mind this will be support as well, this ring. If we push up, your resistance is going to be up here around $3.10. Your resistance above that is $3.34, and then you'll respect this ring up here, potentially around $4. This here is DeFi. So let's inspect this chart. This is a fairly new chart. You can see your current resistance is right here at, your current resistance is 0.55. You push above that, your next resistance is 0.58. You push above that, your resistance is 0.618. And then you will have very strong resistance here at 0.6310. Your current support to watch is right here at 0.536. Your next very strong support will be 0.52. And then you will have support below at 0.50. And then you will have support here at 0.4827. And then your next support level below will be right here at 0.4727. So those are your targets for DeFi. This is Libra. If you zoom out, look at the bigger picture, we've been respecting this white fib circle. So currently your macro targets to watch, if we drop, you can see this white ring right here. It has been a lot of support and resistance. So your current resistance is 0.0035. If we drop, a very likely target to catch a bounce will be 0.002772. You do have one support level above that at 0.002992. If we push up, you will be respecting this blue ring as well. This is right around 0.003966, and then you will have resistance above at let's see here, 0.004238. These are pretty close together. Your next resistance level above will be 0.004860, and a very likely point to get rejected. Again, if we get above this ring, potentially we might ride up this ring, but again, we've been respecting this white fib circle very well. So if we do push up, this would be a likely point to short Libra at 0.005411. Wi-Fi. This chart, this is a newer chart. You can see we're respecting this white fib circle very well. Resistance, resistance, support, support. Came down to this white ring, perfect support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support. So again, if we do push up, you are respecting the fib channel lines and the fib circles. Let me give you the fib circle chart targets first. If we push up, a very likely upside target to get rejected is around 29,932. Your next resistance above is going to be 33,073. Your current resistance or support, we are riding right on this ring right now. Your current support is right here at 25,364. If we drop, a likely point to catch a bounce, just like you saw right here and right here, it's going to be around 20,647. Do keep in mind we are respecting the fib channel line, so your current resistance above is 27,390. And your current support below is 23,549, and then you have support here at 21,956. This is the Binance coin. This is a newer chart. I mentioned in previous videos. Notice how well we're respecting this white fib circle here. So you can see we came up, got a perfect rejection right here on this ring. So if we do drop, you can see your current resistance right now is right here at $30.27. Your current support that seems to be holding, we'll have to see if we drop past it, is right here at $29.46. If we drop, your next support is going to be this fib channel line here. Remember guys, we respect multiple fib channel lines in multiple directions. So we have these two lines here. So if we drop, your first support to watch is $28.30. Let's say $28.26. You break that, your next support is $27.56. And then a very likely point to catch a bounce will be right here at $26.10. Again, we've been respecting this white ring very well. So if we drop to this point, this is the next ring below. So that will be a point to catch a bounce. If we do push up, again, if we do come up and we test this ring up here around $30.42, I would potentially short that point. This is not financial advice, guys, but you can see we do typically bounce back and forth between the rings. If we do push up into this ring, your next resistance above is going to be $32.68 to potentially $33.14. And if you are inside the ring will become resistance. This is around $34.62. And then we do have resistance up here at $37.61. And if we did happen to push up a very macro target to catch or potentially put in a short, would be up around $40.82. So guys, that's pretty much it. That's price targets for Bitcoin and for altcoins. And if you do want to access these charts, the website's opportcrypto.com. The link will be in the description and pinned to the first comment. That's it, guys. Trade safe.